First thing we're going to do is strip the wires. We strip them very, very close. Like so. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is tin the wire. You don't want a really big gob of solder on here. You just want a little bit. Just enough to cover the wire. And the idea here is that you've tinned both pieces, so all you have to do is touch them together and they should stay. Now all you have to do, because we've tinned both pieces, is just touch them and you have a perfect solder joint. Perfect solder joint. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to test them to make sure that everything works. And it works. And we're good. Next thing we're going to do, little tiny bit of liquid tape before we seal it up. Just a little bit. You don't need to smother it in lots of liquid tape. Just enough to cover the connection. That's it. It's more like added insurance. A little bit of silicone on. And let it dry. Sealed.